on YouTube and then us and then share. Watch it, watch it.
Alright, now go back though. You feel at the bar. Get down there, so. Yeah,
Can't chat now. You're the best. Shy. Chat comments are open. Wait a minute. Oh!
Up there. Come on. Good try, though. Good try.
It's a push and foot.
Man on, Travis!
Travis, look! Travis, look!
Out, out!
Injured. My boy make a run, but he injured too.
Far.
Oh, a penalty? What is?
Yes, save this keeper! The man kick it away! He kick it away! Yeah, man, side! Him not good! Him not good, man, side!
Yeah!
Yes, sir. We don't need it for talking into existence. Just talk.
There's an attempted penalty by the Ministry of Economic Growth. Failed attempt.
From my side, our time now. You have to press it now, my side.
Hold that!
Yes, Alex.
Alright, press at them! Travis, look!
It wasn't. I don't know if I should have read.
Good!
Ball! Ball!
Watch the ball, watch the ball. Ball up here, ball up here. Check the ball. Go cross and go live in the brother. There, no. Yeah, got the board, nigga. Got the board, got the board, got the board. Got the board.
Defender! Off! Atia! He's a ball from the goal, man!
sir.
Any other strike, I get that. Keeper.
Travis, run!
Yeah,
Oh, forward.
Travis, number!
Oh, yeah. What? Elliot, see that? Elliot!
Ah! Jay, you're on, Jay!
Yeah, you're on!
Straight up the line. Straight up the line.
You're on!
We're not for finding no more! Yeah! Oh, good try, good try!
If I gab it that to them.
Get back!
Alright, that's it! Mark Nugent! Mark Nugent! Come back in for it! Kick it up! One them Jay! One them Cabinet! Attack time!
Good! Look wide! Good! Get it done!
Send it up!
Knock on the ball, right road, knock on the ball! Knock on the ball! Knock on the ball! Pressure that!
Pressure that. Pressure, pressure. Yeah. Out.
Man, I got hot weather. You take See that, Jay?
Alex! Mark up, first ball! First ball!
Hold on, Alex. Come back, Alex.
Mark up!
Alex.
Mark up! Lord, Daniel for do that. Call back Daniel. Mario. Call Daniel and go. We don't want you. You have nothing to do this. You want nothing to do this. Daniel. Talk to you, Jen. You have to talk to Daniel. See that, Daniel? Are you see that? No, Jen. You have to capitalize on this fight side. No, Jen.
One time, Travis. Watch it.
Heads up. Yeah.
Who the first fair mark? No man, the first fair.
Yeah.
The first what's your money in on the nigga?
Daniel to the left. Daniel. No. To the side there. Put on the bar.
You not the front! Up there! Ball up, play! Hey, we got to the ball! Look the ball!
Heads up, first man. Heads up.
Wall it!
Watch it. Alex, come back inside. Watch the ball, Daniel. Tap the ball.
Up there.
Ball. See ball, Alex. See ball.
Nice! Nice! Ball, show your ball. Okay. Grab it, look wide. Over here, yeah. Good try. Yeah. Don't move. Get back my side, get back. Hey, we have to play the offside trap closer than that. Hey, Russia, I thought you had said anything about the game. I don't mind. Oh! Control and turn! Again! Look! Use him!
Come again.
Push your foot!
Come on!
Overshoes. Manali.
Alex, take that, Alex!
Take it. Stand up.
That is it! That is it!
Travis.
That is it.
Hey, pressure, that's a pressure. Come on. Travis. Yes. Yeah, you last cut.
Back here, Jen! Don't make him get away!
Push your foot.
See you, DJ! Watch out, in! Hurry up!
Easy. Hey, who there, sir? Who there, sir? To your left, sir. Don't make him break my break with. What's the channel? What's the channel? The break. Yeah, boy!
Come down!
All right, try.
We know that,
Marcel, look alive! Man, man, ball up clear! Watch the ball! Travis! Hey, Travis! Nice!
Come in, Duffy! Get back! That's okay, I want goal! Get back! Get up!
With a lead on. Is that a lead on?
Stay in the man and relax yourself. Relax, man.
We're on a coach. I tell him to relax. Yo, man, they want water. Whoa! Ministry of Oh, David, that. Hey, man, do myself. Cross it on, cross it. Stop it.
Wallet!
Heads up. Knock round the ball, knock round the ball, knock round the ball, knock round the ball. Control and knock the ball.
Come through, Elliot!
Yeah, but knock round the ball.
Listen to each other!
Come again, come again. Come again, come again.
You have to communicate!
Daniel, Daniel, go up in the head. Win the ball, win the ball, win the ball. Yeah, go to it, Mario.
Travis, look, Travis!
Hands up, hands up, hands up. Yeah.
Yeah, man, Elliot!
Wide, wide. Wide, wide. Daniel, Daniel, got to go.
See you there, Travis! Start pick it up, look for him! One try!
Go make the ball pass in.
Good. Good try, good try. Push your foot. Come back, come back.
Catch it back, Jordan!
Mark him on, mark him on.
Knock it round, knock it round. Yeah, man, knock it round, Matty.
Oh, that's a comfortable. Oh, go on.
Down the line.
What's the channel?
Too long. That's too long. Throw the ball down. Daniel, go on, go on.
No.
Carry the ball.
Yeah, of course.
One at the hut!
Come on, Michael. Look alive, look alive. Wake up.
One time!
Knock it ball, knock round the ball.
See the jack!
Push up foot.
See the jack!
Control. Mark it out. Mark it out.
Target! Yeah, pass back across the goal, brother. Come again. What's the color of that? Jordan, in there. Yeah,
Oh,
man.
Jordan,
Turn and mark. Yo, Travis, hey, who's marking the number 10? Alex, forward. Beat him.
Alex, you
Alex,
that.
you that, Alex! Kick it out, Leighton! Leighton, kick it out! After Leighton, after!
Mark, come on!
Ah, check here! Hold them, Corey!
Look for your pass.
You're up there! Oh,
Look for your pass. Look for the pass.
Order! Kick it out, Leeson! Archie, defender!
We don't have to watch the man them way I run. You can't just watch the ball.
I must kick it out every time.
Watch
So
the
I can't have that
ball,
with us.
Nugent!
Sam.
Hey, man, there's a- The keeper catch it! Let go from the keeper! Let go from the keeper, Shane! The keeper catch it!
Don't let him. Don't let him. Nice. Hold it. Hold it. Turn out. Turn out. Look alive.
Need to move.
Defend.
Everybody
Yo,
that on the
yo,
defense
yo,
down
yo.
here
Keep
so
up,
they
Alex,
need
by your
to
right.
move out.
I'm trying to conserve them.
Till when? The second half? They need to, yeah, they're on defense now.
There's a man for Mark and
They need to move.
Hey, no, watch the game. Watch the game. Wanna watch the game?
Leeson!
Travis are too high.
Come up!
Travis.
Turn time!
Travis, stay behind him. Stay behind him. Nita, pick up that. Jay, watch him running at Jay. Travis. Okay, Travis. Watch him man. Yo, Jay, watch.
Pick it up, Jack!
Ah, nice. Ah.
Alex Fisson.
it's 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Second goal scored to Pika.
First man. Pass, one touch.
Yeah, that job is done. Archer, look back, Peter.
One
Look there,
touch.
Freeman, T-shirt.
Oh!
A while ago, Corey come up too far and there was nobody there.
Oh! Good. Good control, Scott.
Look, same time. Use him. Use him. Inside. Use him. Yeah, forward. Oh. Sure, get that throw, get that throw. Oh, get that throw.
Shift to Gabriel.
Yes! I want 2 more goals.
First man.
Score is now 4. Economic growth. Pika 0.
Travis! Yo! Travis!
Pick up the ball! Pick it up!
Travis! Yo, to your right! Travis, to your right!
Look! Set it up now! Jay, turn with the ball! Take it back, Jay, yeah, Marlo!
Hold on!
Right road. All right. Right road. All right, see that Bingham. Go Bingham. Square now, Bingham, square.
Thank God for it! This is our chicken wing!
See the Mario.
You not see that coach? that. Let go of my man. Down in front of man like a friend. If I don't want to go and get me, then let them friend. Get up. Send it back up. Jay. What's your Get me done. What's your sub?
Sub.
You're not going to be a strike. Somebody else. Somebody else switch up.
And it's half.
Roger.
Yo, where's the other one? Yeah,